Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. Today we're going to talk about personal experiences and what I learned about resilience after 2013 Bohol earthquake. A short summary of the 2013 Bohol earthquake. The 2013 Bohol earthquake occurred on October 15 with a magnitude of 7.2. Its epicenter was in Sagbayan, Bohol, Philippines. The quake caused significant destruction including the collapse of historical churches, infrastructure damage, and landslide. Over 220 people lost their lives, thousands were injured, and hundreds of thousands were displaced. The earthquake also generated a series of aftershock and was felt across the central Visayas region. It highlighted the region's vulnerability to seismic activity and the importance of disaster preparedness. The earthquake caused not only physical damage but also physiological trauma. Many people lost their homes and loved ones. What I learned about resilience after the 2013 Bohol earthquake is the story of the Bohol recovery would not be complete without mentioning the spirit of Bayanihan, the Filipino concept of commonwealth unity and cooperation. It is the spirit of working together and helping one another that enabled the island to rebound from the devastation of natural disasters, from rebuilding homes to sharing foods and resources. Benihan has been defining features of Bohol resilience. What were the immediate needs after the earthquake? The immediate needs including shelter, foods, clean water, medical assistance, and psychological support for those who have suffered trauma. How did the community respond to the disaster? The community responded with a spirit of unity and cooperation, organizing relief efforts, helping each other, and working to rebuild homes and infrastructure. What is bayanihan? So, bayanihan is a Filipino concept of commonwealth unity and cooperation, where community members work together to help each other during times of needs. It's a key of element of whole resilience. That's all. Thank you, sir.